Executive order requiring face masks be worn on all federal property.
And that includes national parks. Our Claire Kreitz shows us that it's impacting places like Hot Springs, where the line between federal land and city land is not so clear.
If you've ever been to Hot Springs, you know how packed Bathhouse Row in downtown can get. With that federal order coming down from President Biden, if those sidewalks are crowded, you'll now have to wear one of these.
This sign right there.
Whether you're shopping at a boutique or sitting down at a restaurant in downtown Hot Springs, masking up is nothing new when indoors.
I feel like over the course of the year I've gotten it's almost like an accessory.
But now a federal order is extending that reach to places like national parks. Now, if you're hiking the trails or gazing out at the view, the National Park Service says faces must be covered if you can't keep your distance.
Yeah, I didn't think about that one, shoot.
Mary Cantrell and Cassie Cheatham both knew about the executive order, but say wearing a mask outdoors will be quite the change.
I don't like to wear one outside usually.
While the campgrounds and maps make it pretty obvious it's national park land, in downtown Hot Springs, the line between federal property and city property is separated by Central Avenue, which means Bathhouse Row falls under that mandate.
I didn't realize that.
I did, but it didn't really process fully, I don't think. Yeah.
Both Cantrell and Cheatham had masks on hand to put on. Others, like Sarah Schwartz,
I walk almost daily down here,
already had their face covered, knowing how crowded these sidewalks can get.
You would have a hard time getting by people.
Schwartz says overall there hasn't been much pushback to the order.
It seems like a lot of people are following the ordinance.
But as the tourists start filling the Spa City, she hopes it continues.
Doing our part matters.
Employees and visitors are also required to wear masks in all park buildings and facilities. Reporting in Hot Springs, I'm Claire Kreitz. Back to you.